Foodborne illnesses are primarily caused by A. Natural food decay. B. Improper food handling. C. Food additives. D. Expired food. Answer B. Improper handling, such as inadequate cooking or poor hygiene, is a leading cause of foodborne illnesses. A foodborne illness outbreak occurs when A. One person gets sick from contaminated food. B. Two or more people get sick from the same source. C. A food inspection fails. D. Contaminated food is recalled. Answer B. Two or more people with similar symptoms from the same food source is considered an outbreak. High-risk groups for foodborne illnesses include A. Healthy adults. B. Individuals with strong immune systems. C. Pregnant women, children, and elderly individuals. D. People who consume processed foods. Answer C. These groups have weaker immune systems or increased vulnerability. Potentially hazardous foods must be stored. A. At room temperature. B. Below 41 degrees Fahrenheit or above 140 degrees Fahrenheit. C. Only in refrigerators. D. Near open food sources. Answer B. The temperature danger zone, 41 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, must be avoided to prevent bacterial growth. Ready-to-eat foods require A. Further washing. B. No additional heat treatment. C. Pre-cooking before serving. D. Being handled with bare hands. Answer B. Ready-to-eat foods are consumed without further cooking or washing. Cross-contamination occurs when A. Raw foods touch ready-to-eat foods. B. Foods are refrigerated. C. Gloves are used during preparation. D. Cooked foods are reheated. Answer A. Cross-contamination is the transfer of harmful microorganisms from one food item to another. The first step in implementing the FIFO method is A. Repacking older stock. B. Dating all received products. C. Storing products in random order. D. Placing newer stock in the front. Answer B. Products must be dated to ensure older stock is used first. Cooked foods must be stored. A. Above raw foods. B. Directly on shelves. C. Without covers. D. In dry storage areas. Answer A. Storing cooked foods above raw foods prevents cross-contamination. Refrigerated foods must be kept at A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. C. 50 degrees Fahrenheit or below. D. Any temperature that feels cold. Answer B. Maintaining 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower prevents bacterial growth. The correct way to sanitize a thermometer is A. Using alcohol wipes or a sanitizing solution. B. Rinsing with cold water. C. Using soap and water only. D. Wiping it with a dry towel. Answer A. Sanitizing ensures accuracy and prevents contamination. Food storage containers must be A. Made of food-grade materials. B. Any type of container. C. Reused cardboard boxes. D. Stored on the floor. Answer A. Only food-grade materials are safe for food storage. Hand washing is required. A. Only after handling raw food. B. After handling raw food, touching your face, or using the restroom. C. Once per shift. D. Only when gloves are unavailable. Answer B. Hand washing is critical to prevent contamination. The most common bacteria in poultry is A. Salmonella. B. E. coli. C. Staphylococcus. D. Listeria. Answer A. Poultry is naturally contaminated with salmonella. To prevent botulism in smoked fish, the product must be stored. A. At 41 degrees Fahrenheit. B. At 38 degrees Fahrenheit or below. C. In the freezer. D. At room temperature. Answer B. Storing at 38 degrees Fahrenheit prevents Clostridium botulinum growth. Hot foods must be cooled from 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit within A. 1 hour. B. 2 hours. C. 4 hours. D. 6 hours. Answer B. Cooling foods quickly to 70 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours prevents bacteria growth. Foods must be reheated to A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer C. Reheating to 165 degrees Fahrenheit ensures that any bacteria present are destroyed. Cooling methods that are effective include A. Using an ice bath. B. Leaving the food uncovered on a counter. C. Using shallow pans. D. Both A and C. Answer D. Ice baths and shallow pans allow for rapid cooling. Employees must report symptoms of A. Diarrhea, vomiting, or jaundice. B. Fatigue and mild headaches. C. Allergies. D. Muscle cramps. Answer A. Symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, or jaundice indicate illnesses that can spread through food. Gloves must be changed. A. Every 2 hours. B. Only when they are visibly dirty. C. Between handling raw and ready-to-eat foods. D. After touching food containers. Answer C. Changing gloves between tasks prevents cross-contamination. Fingernails on food handlers must be A. Long and polished. B. Clean and trimmed. C. Covered in gloves at all times. D. Maintained with clear nail polish. Answer B. Clean and trimmed nails reduce the risk of contamination. Signs of rodent infestation include A. Bite marks on food packaging. B. Foul odors in storage areas. C. Droppings or nesting materials. D. All of the above. Answer D. All these signs indicate the presence of rodents. To prevent pests, food establishments must A. Seal all cracks and holes. B. Store food 6 inches off the floor. C. Use approved pesticides. D. All of the above. Answer D. Proper facility maintenance and pest control measures are essential. Food allergens must be disclosed. A. Only when the customer asks. B. On menus or food labels. C. Only for processed foods. D. When foods are visibly contaminated. Answer B. Providing allergen information helps customers make safe choices. Common food allergens include A. Eggs, milk, peanuts, and shellfish. B. Rice, water, and sugar. C. Fresh vegetables. D. Herbs and spices. Answer A. These are the most frequently reported allergens. Food handlers must complete training. A. Annually. B. Every 3 years. C. As required by local regulations. D. Only if working with raw food. Answer C. Food safety training is required based on local laws. An employee with a cut on their hand must A. Wear a glove over the bandage. B. Wash their hands thoroughly. C. Avoid working with food until the wound heals. D. Both A and B. Answer D. Proper wound covering and hygiene practices prevent contamination. Chemicals used in the kitchen must A. Be stored away from food and labeled properly. B. Be kept in unmarked containers. C. Be used for multiple purposes. D. Be placed near food for easy access. Answer A. Proper storage and labeling prevent accidental contamination. Cleaning chemicals must be used. A. According to manufacturer instructions. B. Mixed together for greater effectiveness. C. Without gloves for better handling. D. On food directly to sanitize. Answer A. Following manufacturer instructions ensures safe and effective use. Food contact surfaces must be cleaned and sanitized. A. After each use. B. Every 4 hours during continuous use. C. Only at the end of the day. D. Weekly unless visibly dirty. Answer B. Cleaning and sanitizing every 4 hours during continuous use prevents bacterial growth. The correct concentration of a chlorine sanitizing solution is A. 10 to 50 ppm. B. 50 to 100 ppm. C. 100 to 200 ppm. D. 200 to 400 ppm. Answer B. The ideal concentration ensures effective sanitization without causing harm.